Hello friends, I am Dr. Vijay Songire. Today we will discuss one of the most famous poems by Rabindranath Tagore, and it is Where the Mind is Without Fear. Let us start with the very important background information on the poem. Tagore is a well-known Bengali poet. He was awarded Nobel Prize for the anthology of his poem Gitanjali. It was written in 1912. This is a little book of 103 poems which are like offerings to God. Besides, he wrote several novels, essays, short stories, and plays. Where the Mind is Without Fear is one of the poems from Tagore's Gitanjali, written during the era of pre independence. Firstly, this poem is written in Bengali and later it was translated into English. India was under British rule when he wrote this poem. In this poem, Tagore dreams for economic, social, and political freedom. He appeals to God for such kind of heavenly society through his poem. Let us read the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Now see some important points in the poem. The poem indicates Tagore's idea of new awakened India. He dreams of a nation where there will be no fear in the mind of the people and they live with self-respect. There is no any conflict between two communities on the account of caste, class and color, where people follow the principles of truth, hard work and they struggle for perfection, where people's intellectual power is not polluted and therefore they are not the slaves of age-old customs in the society. They are guided by the Spirit of God, which results into well-being of thought and action. In this way, at last, Tagore insists for such a haven where there will be total freedom for good words, good thoughts, and good action. Thank you very much.